Well guys, that definitely looks super cool. So I just picked up, in my opinion, the nicest looking spoiler for a BMW E36. This is where I got it, right? I mean, I really like the look of it. Pretty good quality. It's made from fiberglass, as you can see. I'm probably gonna scuff this and use PL to glue it on. They say to use silicone. See, it's got a cutout for the convertible brake light, as you can see, and it fits perfect. So when you're ordering yours, make sure it's for the convertible, not convertible, 4-door, 2-door, whatever. They have all the options. I believe they even make it for the E30 BMW. Anyways, I absolutely love the look of it. I'm gonna put it on with some tape and show you guys. All right, guys, so here it is. I mean, it looks awesome. I think the problem is that it's black, but we're gonna obviously paint it. That is so cool looking. It just really adds to the look of this car. Oh yeah, I love it, honestly. It's so nice. So the only problem I noticed with it is right here, see? I'm just gonna have to file this a little bit more so it goes in all the way. That's about the only thing. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna use PL to glue it on. They say to use silicone, but this is even stronger than silicone. So you just, and then glue it on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, yeah, that looks so cool. Okay, let me put it on. I'll show you quickly what it looks like on. It's gonna have to dry all night, and then we're gonna paint it white. Okay guys, so in my case, I am gonna pull this light out because what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I have to repaint my whole trunk because I'm getting rid of this stupid thing that somebody put on here and it's not painted underneath. I also have this blemish. So when I paint the spoiler, I'm gonna paint the whole trunk, might as well. Also, I'm gonna use the PL. Like I wanna be able to wipe it away when I put that on, because see, I don't really like how this, let me just show you. See how this is like hollow inside? See what I mean? So I'm gonna put like lots of PL in here, so it basically like prevents this from doing that, right? Like, let me just quickly show you. See, I mean, it fits perfect, but see right here, like, see, it does this kind of thing. So I'm gonna put enough PL so it basically, you know, if any comes out, I'll be able to wipe it with the light off. And PL is paintable. That's how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna glue this on. Okay, so see what I did? That's one tube of PL, right? So that makes sense. And see here, I filled it so it's touching on both sides. Anyways, I'm gonna use like a tube here, and might even, I don't know. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, so I didn't like that was hollow, so I got some of this stuff that I had, and I sprayed some just in there. It's like expanding foam. It doesn't really expand though. Gaps and cracks, whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna put the PL on. Okay guys, there's a lot of PL in here, as you can tell. So see the bottom, so I put it on like that, because I really want the bottom to grip. Okay, I'm putting it on. Okay, let's put this thing on.
I thought you were gonna say something cool and be like, all right, guys.
Yeah, it's good enough.
I guess that was too extreme.
All right, so now all I gotta do is just wipe whatever came out away, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Right, buddy?
Whoa, what is that?
What do you think of the spoiler?
I don't think the color matches, but
It will soon. All right, guys, so here we have it. See, this is what I did to keep it nice and flat. Put some weight on it. So now we're gonna give it 24 hours so it can dry. Okay guys, well that totally worked. This thing looks so cool. Definitely the coolest spoiler ever. So yeah, it totally worked. See now, when you press anywhere here, it's super solid. It's very glued in. So now you know how to glue one of these guys. Let's go ahead and paint it. Check it out, boys. The color match is absolutely perfect. It looks perfect. That looks so nice, guys. All right, well, let's put everything together and I will show you what the final look looks like when everything is put together. Okay, guys, are you ready to see this drag wing on the car? It looks insane. Check it out. And yes, guys, we are putting that onto this car. I hope you guys throw me a subscription if you want to see that. It's gonna look insanely nice. I'm telling you guys, super detailed video coming on the exhaust. That drag wing looks amazing. I also got a video on the side skirts. That was a pain in the butt to put those on. If you like these lights, I got a video on that. The depot headlights. And also, if your interior sucks, guys, I redid all the interior. Check it out. Looks brand new, guys. So make sure you give me a thumbs up, guys. And of course, throw me a subscription, guys. I need those. Thanks for watching.